Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. Okay. In our today's topic, we'll be discussing about percentage. Okay. Today we'll be discussing about percentage. What actually is percentage? Today we'll try to explore what actually the percentage mean. Okay. Have you ever wondered or have you ever heard like she got 92% in her exam or he got 84% in the exam? So I hope you all have heard all about things, right? So it generally means that percentage actually means we are comparing this with 100. Okay, so this means it is 92 hundredths, which it is hundredths part. Okay, hundredths, not 100. So it is 84% means 84 out of 100. Okay, so generally in the percentage we'll be talking about it is out of 100, out of 100. Okay, so if suppose we say let's say x got 60%, x got 60%, it means that out of 100 Mr. X got 60. Okay, so percentage actually means we have to compare it with 100. Okay, and we call it as hundredths part. We call it as a hundredths part. Okay, why? Because there is a 100. The 100 is dividing the number. Okay, so we call it as hundredths. Okay, so percentage actually means it is out of 100. It is out of 100. Okay, so the first thing we have to do today is how we will write fraction to percentage. How will we write fraction to percentage? Okay, fraction to percentage. So we'll try to do this fraction to percentage. Okay, okay. Our first fraction to percentage. Okay, so in this what happens is suppose somebody said 35 out of 100. 35 out of 100. How to change this fraction into percentage? The first thing. So what we'll do is 35 by 100. When we multiply it with 100, when the fraction will get multiplied into 100, we'll get the percentage, right? So it is how much? 35%. Okay, so this is the first example for converting fraction to percentage. Suppose second we have 2 by 5. Suppose we have 2 by 5. Okay. So here 2 by 5, this fraction has to be multiplied with 100. So it is 200 by 5. 5 fours are 20 and 0. So what's the percentage out here? It is 40%. So this way, when a fraction get multiplied by 100, then we will convert that fraction into percentage. Okay, this is the way of doing it. Okay, now in our next, suppose we have 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Okay, out here also it's the same thing. What we'll do is 7 by 25 out of 100. So it is 25 ones 25, 25 fours are 100, and 7 into 4. 7 into 4, it is how much? 28%. Okay, so this is how we will convert fraction to percentage. When we multiply the fraction into 100, then we'll get fraction to percentage. Okay, this is the first one. And next we have is converting the percentage into a fraction. Okay. Okay, in our second topic, we have convert a percentage to a fraction. Okay, suppose, for example, we'll take this as 20%. Suppose first we have 20%. It means 20 out of 100. When it is percentage, it means we are comparing with 100. So we can write 20 out of 100. So 0, 0 cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So how much it is? 1 by 5. We can reduce it into a very simplest form. Then just keep it like this because it is a fraction. We are converting the percentage into fraction. Okay, suppose second example, let's say 25%. Okay, so here also 25 out of 100. So this also we can reduce it into simplest form. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0. So it's 5 by 20. Again, it can be reduced. 5 1 5, 5 4 20. So it's 1 by 4. This is how we'll do with the converting your percentage into fraction. Okay. Now, suppose we have 80 out of 100, or we can say 80%. Okay. So it means 80% means it is 80 out of 100. Okay. So here your you can just reduce it 0 0 cut it, you'll keep 1 8 by 10 2 4 8 2 5 10. So after this it cannot get reduced, so answer will be 4 by 5. This is the second part. Okay, converting a percent to a fraction. Okay, and in our next part uh, we will keep percentage as a ratio. Okay, percentage as a ratio. Okay, that will be the third. Okay, our next topic is percentage as a ratio. Okay, so for this also let's try to understand how to write. Okay, suppose I have 23%. 23%. It means I got 23 out of 100, right? So this can be written as 23 is to 100. It's very simple because I cannot reduce it into a simplest form because this is a prime number, right? So it cannot get divided. So we'll keep just like that. Okay, suppose let's say 24%. Then it means it is 24 out of 100. Here I can reduce it into a simplest form. So what I can write? 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 5 10, 0, 2 6 12, 2 2 4, 2 5 10, right? After that it won't go. 6 by 25, or we can write it that 6 is to 25. This is how we write percentage as a ratio. Okay. Let's see one more example with this. Suppose 60% we have. So it means I got 60 out of 100. So here 0 0 got cut. 6 by 10 left. 2 3 6, 2 5 10. So it's 3 by 5, or we can write 3 is to 5. Okay, so this is how we'll convert the percentage as a ratio. Okay, this is our third topic, I guess, right? So, and next we have is in our next topic, we'll be discussing about to convert a given ratio into a percentage. Okay. Okay. So in this, convert a given ratio into percentage. So here also let us try. For example, suppose as given with the ratio 4 is to 5, right? It means I can write this as 4 by 5. Okay. To convert our ratio into percentage, we will just multiply this with 100. So it is 5 2s are 10, 0. So 24s are 80. So what's the percentage? 80%. Okay. It's very easy to understand. Next we have is suppose 8 is to uh, let's say 20. Then here also we can write 8 by 20 out of 100. So it is 20. 5s are 100. So 8 5s are 40%. Okay, so this is how we can convert our ratio into percentage. When the ratio will get multiplied by percentage or 100, then we get our percentage. Okay, let's say here 2 is to 3. Okay, 2 is to 3. Then here we can write 2 by 3 out of 100. It means it is 200 by 3. It cannot get divided, right? So we can write this much, or we can divide it. Okay, 200 divided by 3. 3 6 18, 2 0 3 6 18 2. So it is 366. Then how much is the remainder? 2%. Okay, we can write this. So this is the way how we convert a given ratio into percentage. Okay, this is the fourth part, I guess. And in the next topic, we'll be talking about percentage in decimal form. Okay, in this percentage in decimal form. Okay, suppose to understand this how to convert, we'll take one example first to understand. Okay, percentage to in decimal form. It means suppose I have 45%, right? So here it is 45% means it's 100. So I have to write it in the decimal. So 1 2 point. 1 2 point. So this is how we have to write it as a percentage. Oh, decimal. Okay. So let's take one more example. Suppose I have 23%. It means it is 23 out of 100. So it means 1 2 point. 1 2 point. Are we clear? So I guess here next. Suppose I have 80%. It means 80 by 100. So this 0 can get cancelled. So we have 8 out of 10. It means 1 point. So 1 point. If we don't have any number, we can put 0. Okay, it is 0.8. So this is how we convert percentage in decimal form. Okay. So this is very easy. Just 1 2 point. 1 2 point. 1 2 point. 1 2 point. Right? So it's very interesting and very easy as well.